Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today, I am going to open up this rack pack of the 1988 Score Baseball. Got this at the card shop. He has a value bin with all these rack packs in it, so I grabbed some. And yeah, so let's get into this. We're mainly looking for Tom Glavine. For me, Bo Jackson. Anything Bo Jackson. But yeah, so it should be a fun little rip. See what we can hit. If I can get it open. Let's see if I can rip this down the back, make it a little easier. Whoops, sorry guys. Give me a move you. There we go. A little easier. Rip her open so we just go one section at a time. Okay. This is always a fun set. Fun year for me. Opened a lot of it. But yeah, so. All right. First, the top section. We got Dave Parker. Nice. Dave Parker. Pat Tabler. Alan Trammell. Tim Launder. Ed Winston. Lee Lacy. There's Trivia's. Sid Bream. Gary Pettis. Rick Leach. Chuck Krim. John. We got Bob Melvin. Ellis Burks. God, I remember he was a big boy. Richard Dodson. Roy Smalley. Eric Plunk. A Raider prospect of Sean Abner. Wrong prospect. We need a Glavine. All right, next section. Benny Santiago. Nice. That's cool. Tom Henneke. Babu. Herm. Like that. Lee Mazzoli. Bob Walk. That one there. Rick Leach. Connie there. Phelps. Jack. Back. Demon. Chris Spear. Robbie Wine Jr. LaPointe. Bill Buckner. God, that dude. All right. Last little section. Can we hit a Glavine? Joe McGrain. Danny Tartable. There's Tim Raines. Sweet. Tim the Rock. Kurt Wilkinson. Larry Anderson. Stubbs. Right there. Johnny Ray. Leon Durham. Mark Thursman. Danny Jackson. Eric King. Mookie Wilson. Ken. And Andy Allison. And last card, Doug Jones. All right. Well, not as bad. Pretty cool. It's a fun little rip. No Glavine, but hey, still fun to look at. Remember, opening these up, love it, do it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. That was a 1988 Score Rock Pack. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Pass a word about the channel, and I'll be back soon with some more videos.